Hey y'all, I'm Alex. Today I'm going to go over 3 different kicking combinations that you can do on Bob. Now let's get started. All of these kicking combinations we are going to be finishing off with a headshot. Let's break down the first combo. From your fighting stance, all you guys are going to do is do an attacking fast kick and then a roundhouse kick. So from here, fast kick, roundhouse, and then you're going to clinch. From here, we're going to kind of work the clinch and finish off with a headshot. What you're going to do is you're going to kind of basically post your hips out, do a roundhouse kick on the inside, and then from there, you're going to fake a roundhouse kick for the second one. Here, come up, fake, and then finish over top. Okay, so let's do it one more time. From here, fast kick, round, clinch. From here, roundhouse on the inside, fake, boom, and then over top on the other side. All right, guys, this next combination is going to be all off the front leg, and it's basically going to be kind of a build-up to set up that ending headshot. So, from your fighting stance, we're going to start off. 2 kicks are going to go to the body. First, from here, you're just going to do a front leg roundhouse kick right to the body, towards like the closed side. From there, you're going to do a front leg hook kick to the body towards the open side. So from here, boom, front leg hook kick. And then last, you're going to fake a hook kick towards the body and turn it into a roundhouse kick to the head over the shoulder. So from here, fake, boom, over top. So we're basically trying to set that up. We're attacking the closed side with the roundhouse, open side with the hook kick to the body. You do that same hook motion, come up, and then do the roundhouse kick right over the shoulder. All right, guys, this last combination we're going to be finishing off with a spin kick. So we're going to start off from our fighting stance. You're going to do a front leg cut kick to the body. Boom. From there, back leg roundhouse kick. But on this one, you're not going to fully commit and go forward. You're basically just going to stay back here. Boom. Kick and pull it back. From here, we're going to be doing our spin. We're going to do a switch in place and then spin right into that kick. Right to the head, finishing off with a nice spin hook kick. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you would like to see in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys later.